What got me into the program was the amazing teachers that they have and the amount of hands-on education that you do get. After I'm done this program, I would like to get an engineering degree. After that, I hope to work in aerospace.
What got me into the program was the potential to earn the college credits and to go a step above and beyond and to graduate with my associates in applied science in manufacturing engineering technology. The most interesting thing about this program is the plethora of career opportunities that you get out of school. You can be anything from a programmer to an operator to a draftsman. This is truly a trade and a program that will set you up for success after school.
I can genuinely say I've not learned this much stuff in my entire life, and I've learned in the last just couple months being in the machinist course. Teachers are great, and a lot of people that come down here are awesome. You can go from anything from inspecting to manual machining to programming. Seems like there's endless opportunity. I can go anywhere that I want to.